the 3 weirdest VR headsets from over the years, and the last one might shock you. First off is the Virtual IO glasses. These were top of the line with a killer 640 by 480 resolution, and I can feel the motion sickness from here. It was an absolute complicated system of heavy cables and crazy large power supplies that made it suck setting up. It was lightweight though and ergonomic, which made it comfortable to wear, and in 1995 it was one of the only VR systems available to consumers. Second was a 3D Head VR headset. It was announced back in 2015 not as only the largest VR headset, but an Oculus killer, and obviously it wasn't. And the controller was a tablet which just completely sucked. At that point, just use an Xbox controller, bro. But don't worry, it's not even the largest one on this list. And thirdly is the Toshiba Bubble Helmet, which is an unholy monster which had the equivalent weight of 6 Quest 2 headsets, and it used IR tracking and used a projector in the back to display the images. It did look like a CRT strapped over your head, and this thing might haunt your dreams, so don't worry, Toshiba killed it off. And also make sure you consider joining our wonderful Discord to connect with other VR users, partake in giveaways, and also just have fun. And of course guys, have a good one.